Hey, my name is Warren Ross. I'm an estate planning attorney in Georgia, and today I'm going to talk about the issues we have with real estate when we go through probate. So, one of the issues with real estate is that we can't really transfer that through something like a POD or a TOD form like we can with a bank account or a brokerage account. There's really two ways of distributing real estate to your heirs. We either go through probate or you put it in a living trust. One of the main reasons that we want to avoid probate, especially when you have real estate, is that we have to get judicial approval for the sale of any real estate. The reason we have to do this is so that they can avoid fraud and make sure that your executor isn't selling it to their friend for $10 and then buying it back for $20 after the probate is over. So there's a reason they do it, but it takes a really long time, especially in these bigger counties. So Fulton County, where I am now, there are over 1 million people here and there's one probate judge. So it takes a long time for us to get something across her desk. So it generally takes about 2 or 3 months for us to get anything approved. So a lot of times what happens is we'll find a buyer for a house, we'll petition the judge to approve the sale of the house, and by the time we get that petition back, maybe 2 months later, the buyer has walked away, because buyers don't want to sit around for a couple months hoping that the judge is going to approve a sale. So we'll go through 2 or 3 buyers before we find somebody who will actually wait long enough to get the judicial approval. So it's really not ideal to go through probate when you own real estate, especially if you own more than one piece of property. So the ideal thing to do is to put these assets into a living trust where we can completely avoid probate. We don't have to get judicial approval for a sale. As soon as you pass away, your successor trustee can sell that real estate and distribute assets to your heirs however you want them to be distributed.